So if you were First Minister for the day and you got to make a policy change that would affect the cost of living crisis, what do you think you might do?
Well, I think from a start, it should be a real living wage of £15 an hour, just to help people lift out of poverty. Obviously, you'll get on the right who would be pro-business and less pro-worker, would be challenging that and saying, well, companies are going to have to close down and because nobody's going to be able to afford it. But, it's the workers that keep this country connected. It's the workers that make the world go round, if you like. Everybody stood on the doorstep and clapped during COVID for the key essential workers. But, after COVID now, clapping doesn't pay the bills. We need proper respect for care workers and postal workers and everybody else who put themselves at immense risk during COVID.
You'd get my vote.
Same here.
What about you, Lachey?
I think improving services in general, improving public services. So starting with the NHS, waiting lists, staffing, and how that impacts patient care. No more corridor care. Thankfully, I don't see that in maternity, but I hear about
Babies
it in the
don't
news.
wait, right?
Yeah, babies do not wait for anyone. So improving that, and then also improving education. I think they all interlink: education, healthcare, social care. I think there needs to be more investment into the NHS, absolutely, into education systems, into social care. I think there just needs to be a lot more focus on that, and to then help the next generation, because I have a younger sister who's 10 years younger than me, and I worry what the UK is going to look like for her.
Well, again, you'd get my vote.
Thank you.